Good morning. My name is Ed Gonzalez. I will be your host. This morning I'm with Fast Signs Medina. My first guest is Brian Haskell with Legal and ID Shield. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning. How are you today? Good, thank you.
I'm doing wonderful, thanks. Why don't you tell your audience a little bit about, again, how you got started with your business?
Well, actually, they kind of recruited me
Okay.
to be a part of the business as an independent associate, essentially. And I've been at this for about 2 years now, and it's a wonderful product that really helps people out, and that's
Okay.
the good thing that that I like about it. Number of companies use us. Medina County government uses us for their employees as a benefit. So it's a great product and something that ID Shield. Everybody today is worried about having their identity stolen.
Okay.
And the nice thing about ID Shield is they will help considerably on having to clear up any of those kind of issues that you might have with having your ID stolen from you.
Okay.
And
Okay.
Legal Shield provides a vast array of legal things, wills and trusts and just anything that you might need an attorney for, moving violations, just a variety of areas.
Okay. And if I understand correctly, you're in Medina.
I'm in Medina,
Okay.
that's correct.
Is there a website or something that you want your audience
Yes,
to be aware
it's
of?
on my card, and
Okay.
I'm hoping that they'll put that at the bottom here so
Awesome.
that they can go to and they can actually contact me through that. And I'm here to help people out. I will talk to you on the phone. I'll come out and visit you. I'll meet you at a coffee shop or whatever is needed.
Is there an ideal referral for you?
I think anybody that's in need of having their identity protected in the event of somebody stealing it,
Right.
and also anybody that needs an attorney for any particular reason, whether it's your will or if it's a small business. We offer small business programs. There's a wealth of different programs that Legal Shield has to offer.
Mm-hmm.
So-
Okay. Is there a competitive edge that you feel that Legal and ID Shield has versus some of the other alternatives out there?
Well, we've been around a long time. It was started well over 50 years ago, so it's not a brand new organization.
Okay.
And it was started by a school teacher who was in a car accident, and the fellow that caused the accident sued him. And he didn't have an attorney. So
Right.
it was a good opportunity for him to start. It was called Prepaid Legal Services, and it's gone on now to be Legal Shield and ID Shield, and it's a great group of people. I've really been, and I enjoy the people that I get to meet. It's been wonderful just getting out in the public and meeting folks and talking to them about what they might need in terms of legal services or identity theft protection.
Right.
So
Right.
I do a lot of lectures or talks to older adults, and they're particularly vulnerable these days.
Okay. Do you see any significant shifts in how you will leverage technology or change your business practices as you look out over the next 3 years?
Well, the interesting thing that Legal Shield has done is they've really gone in with the Zoom meetings and a lot of training over the internet, whereas before it was done all by books and so on like that. So that's really changed the world. Fortunately, one of the reasons that I like the Brunswick Northern Medina Chamber Alliance is that we have meetings and people explain some of the new things, techniques in social media, which gosh, I'm just a few years behind on.
Right.
And trying to keep up with it is quite a chore sometimes.
Right. In fact, I think I met Brian 2 years ago at a chamber function, and you're absolutely spot on. The Northern Medina County Chamber is a great avenue to get your name out there, build relationships,
And that's what
because
it's all
those
about.
relationships will help you grow your
Yep.
business.
They certainly do.
What is the one thing that you want the audience to know about yourself or about your business? That statement, if you will.
We're trying to do something that helps other people, and if it helps keep your identity intact and your those kind of things, we can help out with. and also if there's any legal issues that you might be having to deal with. Again, an attorney is available 24/7, so if you need something in a hurry, and I've used it actually a couple of times. I've used them twice in some situations, and they've been very, very responsive to me.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Brian, I really enjoyed speaking with you this morning. Best of luck. If there's anything I can do with regard to helping you grow the business, don't hesitate to reach out. And I look forward to seeing you more in the chamber relationship building meetings that we will have.
Thank you very much, Ed.
This concludes our first session for this morning. Our next guest will be up shortly.